All Sora AI plans and features explained. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the brief. OpenAI Sora is a cutting-edge text-to-video AI tool that transforms your prompts into cinematic short videos. It's integrated into ChatGPT's paid plans, offering different features based on your subscription level. Here's a quick breakdown of the available plans and their features. First, ChatGPT Plus, that is $20 per month. It is ideal for casual creators and those exploring AI video generation. Its video resolution is up to 720 pixels. The video duration is up to 10 seconds, and its priority generation is 50 per month, and its concurrent generation is up to 2. It includes watermark and has access to supported reasons. Next, we have ChatGPT Pro, that is $200 per month. It is designed for professionals and high-volume creators. Its video resolution is up to 1080 pixels and its video duration is up to 20 seconds. Its priority generation is 500 per month and concurrent generations is up to 5. And there is no watermark and it's faster generation time. It has access to all regions. Note that both plans include unlimited, relaxed generations, but priority generations are processed faster. Talking about Sora features, first, text to video. It generates videos from descriptive prompts. Next, image and video inputs. It animates images or extend existing videos. Third, remix and blend. It combines elements from different videos. Next, recut and loop. It edits and creates seamless loops. Next, storyboard. It organizes sequences for storytelling. And next, style presets. It applies predefined visual styles. Its availability and access. Sora is available in most regions where ChatGPT is accessible, excluding the EU, UK, and Switzerland. So, this was all about Sora AI plans and features. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.